12 coolest Amazon must-have gadgets you can actually buy. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest gadgets from around the world. In today's video, we're going to showcase 12 of the coolest Amazon must-have gadgets that you can actually buy. From futuristic tech to everyday essentials, we've got something for everyone in this video. Don't miss a single second of this video. We have arranged many surprises for you in our list. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some unique products to enhance your daily routine, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into our list of the 12 coolest Amazon must-have gadgets that you won't want to miss. Number 1. Lens Case Carbon Fiber Case. Lens Case, Carbon Fiber Case and 5-camera lens for iPhone 13 and 13 Pro is an innovative and versatile accessory that enhances the photography experience of iPhone users. This accessory includes a durable carbon fiber case that protects the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro from scratches and impacts, and a lens case that can accommodate up to 5 different camera lenses. The lens case includes lenses for wide-angle, macro, fisheye, telephoto, and CPL, circular polarizer, photography. These lenses are easy to attach and detach, allowing users to quickly switch between different lenses and capture stunning photos with their iPhone 13 and 13 Pro. The lens case, carbon fiber case and 5-camera lens for iPhone 13 and 13 Pro is an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts who want to take their iPhone photography to the next level. Number 2. Lacy Rugged HDD. The Lacy Rugged USB-C 5TB external hard drive portable HDD is a high-performance storage device designed for people who need to store and transport large amounts of data in rugged environments. With a capacity of 5 TB, this external hard drive provides ample space to store photos, videos, music, and documents. The hard drive features a durable design with an IP67 rating, which means it is resistant to water, dust, and drops. The drive also includes USB-C connectivity, making it compatible with the latest computers and laptops. The Lacy Rugged USB-C 5TB external hard drive portable HDD is an ideal choice for photographers, videographers, and other professionals who need reliable and portable storage for their data. Number 3. Magloop Power Bank. The Magloop wireless battery pack is a versatile and powerful portable charger that offers fast charging for a variety of devices. With a capacity of 10,000 mAh, this power bank provides ample power to charge an iPhone 14, 13, 12, Mini, or Pro, iPad, AirPods, and more. The charger supports fast charging at up to 20 watts, allowing users to quickly charge their devices. The Magloop charger also includes a USB-C cable and magnetic design, making it easy to attach to a phone or other device. This portable charger is perfect for people on the go who need reliable and fast charging for their devices. Number 4. Stink Boss Shoe Deodorizer. The Stink Boss Shoe Deodorizer is a powerful and effective solution for eliminating smelly odors from shoes, gloves, and other gear that cannot be washed in a washing machine. This deodorizer uses advanced ozone technology to neutralize odors, leaving shoes and gear smelling fresh and clean. The Stink Boss Deodorizer is easy to use and works quickly, with most odors being eliminated in just a few hours. The deodorizer can be used on a variety of gear, including sports equipment, work boots, and more. The Stink Boss Shoe Deodorizer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to keep their shoes and gear smelling fresh and clean. Number 5. Trine Control Alarm. The Trine Anti-Theft Monitoring Alarm is a highly effective security device designed to protect valuable items from theft. This compact and portable alarm can be attached to backpacks, luggage, purses, bicycles, and more. The device features a 120-dB alarm that will sound if someone tries to tamper with or steal the item to which it is attached. The alarm also features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to receive alerts on their smartphones if the device is triggered. The Trine Anti-Theft Monitoring Alarm is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to protect their valuables from theft and give themselves peace of mind when traveling or in public places. Number 6. Voltek LifePod Secure Waterproof Travel Case. The Voltek LifePod Secure Waterproof Travel Case is an exceptional storage solution for valuables when traveling or on the go. The case is waterproof, dustproof, and impact-resistant, making it a reliable and durable option for protecting items such as passports, wallets, and electronics. The LifePod features a 4-digit combination lock that ensures secure access and can be reset easily. The case also includes a built-in pressure release valve, making it easy to open and close at high altitudes. The Voltek LifePod Secure Waterproof Travel Case is a convenient and practical option for anyone who wants to protect their valuables during outdoor activities, travel, or daily use. Number 7. Lux Z5 Handheld Metal Laser. The Lux Z5 handheld metal laser engraving and cutting machine is a versatile tool designed for both professionals and hobbyists. With a compact and portable design, it allows users to engrave and cut a variety of materials, including metal, wood, plastic, leather, and more. The laser engraving and cutting capabilities of the Lux Z5 are precise and efficient, making it a great choice for creating custom designs, personalized gifts, and DIY projects. Additionally, the machine comes with user-friendly software that makes it easy to operate and customize designs. Number 8. Vansi Ring. Vansi is a cutting-edge technology that allows users to control electronic devices with hand gestures. It eliminates the need for remote controls or touch screens, making it more convenient and intuitive to use. The device is small and portable, allowing users to take it with them wherever they go. With Vansi, users can easily control a range of devices, including TVs, computers, smart home systems, and more. The technology is based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, making it highly accurate and responsive. Number 9. Ozobot Evo. Ozobot Evo is a small programmable robot designed for both education and entertainment purposes. The robot is equipped with advanced sensors and can follow lines and paths, detect colors, and even react to sound. It can be programmed using various coding languages, making it an excellent educational tool for teaching children about robotics and programming. Ozobot Evo also comes with a range of games and activities, providing hours of entertainment for users of all ages. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to take on the go, and its user-friendly interface ensures that it is easy to use and customize. Number 10. Bevel Shift Adhesive Portable Tech Organizer. The Bevel Shift Adhesive Portable Tech Organizer is a highly functional and versatile accessory for organizing electronic gadgets and accessories. The organizer is made from durable and water-resistant material and features a strong adhesive backing that can attach to a variety of surfaces. The organizer includes multiple pockets and compartments of various sizes, providing ample storage space for cables, chargers, headphones, and other electronic accessories. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport, making it ideal for use while traveling or commuting. Number 11. The Masking Master. The Masking Master is an all-in-one masking tool that has been designed to make the process of masking easier, faster, and more precise. This ingenious hand tool comes equipped with a range of features that allow users to perform any masking job easily, accurately, and efficiently. The Masking Master is also incredibly versatile, as it can be used on a variety of surfaces, including walls, ceilings, floors, and even curved surfaces. It is easy to use and can be operated by anyone, making it an ideal tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. 12. Nigo Flashlight. The Nigo 400 Lumen Keychain Flashlight is a compact and powerful lighting tool that easily attaches to your keychain. With its 400 lumen output, this flashlight is brighter than most keychain flashlights on the market, making it ideal for everyday use, emergency situations, or outdoor adventures. The Nigo 400 Lumen Keychain Flashlight features 4 different lighting modes, including high, medium, low, and strobe, allowing you to adjust the brightness and mode to suit your needs. It is also made of durable aircraft-grade aluminum, making it resistant to wear and tear. And there you have it, folks. Our top picks for the 12 coolest Amazon must-have gadgets you can actually buy. These gadgets are sure to make your life easier, more fun, and more productive. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and add these cool gadgets to your shopping cart and make your life even more exciting. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, so they can also discover these amazing Amazon must-have gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.